PX Plus Festival was created by an amazingly talented group of 14 hospitality professionals to give back, to give something to the industry, to create a space that was categorically for the industry. A platform to showcase what's going on, things that are important, how we move it forward. So essentially a place of celebration, collaboration and change. It was kind of a no-brainer that we would go to PKL and say, hey, can you come and help us on this crazy idea to create a hospitality festival on a farm?
We had to really look at what we were doing in the sense of building our kitchen and building our setup. And we worked with PKL and they were able to tell us what we needed to facilitate the amount of people that we were looking to cater for.
It was really important to us that we spent a lot of time with PKL planning how that kitchen would look, how it would feel, the environment that it would sit in, and also making it the back of house part of the front of house. It was really crucial for us that all of that was on show, that guests could really see how the professional kitchen operates and to the level that Johnny and the kitchen team wanted that to happen. Watching the kitchen being built was, I think, one of the highlights. From a hard standing in the middle of the farm to this fully functional professional kitchen with all of the kit was just amazing. That feeling as it was being built, the chefs coming in, the fridges going in, everything happening as we'd planned it pretty much to clockwork was just fantastic, and we wouldn't have expected anything less from working with a partner like PKL.
When we were working with PKL, it was just the openness. We were able to give them a problem and they gave us a solution.